Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Elden Ring on Nintendo Switch step by step. Begin by deciding between cloud streaming and local play, then check network stability and controller mapping. Next, prepare your Nintendo Switch with required system updates and optional accessories to improve comfort. I will guide you through account linking, latency troubleshooting, and graphics presets so you can enjoy smooth sessions without guessing what to change. Make sure your Switch model and internet meet the basics so the experience is smooth. Check for at least 10 Mbps upload and download, use a wired connection if possible, and charge your controller fully. Install any streaming or cloud gaming apps and sign into the same account you use for game purchases. Also prepare a headset for voice chat and tweak your display settings to balance visuals and performance. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make it perfect for gamers who hate cleaning. It frees up time for sessions and keeps your play area tidy. I find it hilariously efficient. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When you start playing, lower unnecessary effects and choose performance-oriented options to cut input lag. Test controller responsiveness in a safe area, then tweak sensitivity to match your comfort level. Keep the Switch ventilated and consider short breaks to avoid thermal throttling during long runs. If using cloud streaming, monitor bandwidth and Switch servers, or reduce resolution when encountering stutter for a more consistent experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.